Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make a strawberry smoothie without using a blender. First, you'll need about 1 cup of fresh, ripe strawberries. Wash them well and remove the green tops. Place the cleaned strawberries into a sturdy bowl. Now, grab a fork and begin mashing them. Press down firmly and repeatedly until the strawberries are completely crushed and mostly smooth. This creates the base for your delicious drink. Once your strawberries are mashed, it's time to add some liquid. Pour in about half a cup of your preferred milk, like dairy, almond, or oat milk. For a thicker smoothie, plain yogurt works wonderfully too. Next, sweeten it up with 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Stir everything together really well, ensuring the sweetener dissolves and the mixture becomes uniform. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Quick recommendation. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is super pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze. You can find the link for this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for that refreshing chill, you'll need about 1 cup of crushed ice. If you don't have crushed ice, place regular ice cubes in a sturdy bag and gently tap them with a mallet or rolling pin. Once crushed, slowly add the ice to your strawberry mixture. Stir continuously as you add the ice. This helps to chill and thicken your smoothie, giving it that perfect texture without a blender. Before serving, give your smoothie a quick taste test. If you prefer it sweeter, add a little more honey or syrup and stir again. Once it's just right, carefully pour your homemade strawberry smoothie into a nice tall glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a fresh strawberry slice or a sprig of mint. Enjoy your delicious, blender-free creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.